With Chubayanga, Joint Labor Commissioner, Labor Department, to shed light on the legal framework that protects our children.
Itu Assistant Labor Commissioner Bohima already koise. Itu International Day asle. India lagai la noy, Bangladesh lagai la noy. Aro itu theme ki ase. Itu bi International Labor Organization ka day for the whole world. ILO. Okay. Kili mane itu laga bimar do khali among laga noy. Entire world is facing this epidemic of child labor and child abuse. Okay? So that's the reason why ILO has picked it up and then taken it for the entire world. There are two conventions, very important conventions. ILO Convention number 182, Worst Forms of Child Labor, Aro 138, Minimum Age Convention. Itu the peace prina, amakan itu aji itu whole world di amakan nisna boy gina responsible kan itu laga din mani ase. Aji ami puta koro namde pacar kan hat kawali na pai gina doli to yadi Kohima devi khor de tuk pura kandi thaigo kare de. There are children who are crying out even as I speak. Ama yadi aramra boy ase Kohima devi thakibo whole world laga kotha chharibi. Children are suffering. Dahan khilibo lage, dahan free bra parents kan logode aram pura bohibole laga, aro sikhibole laga, school jabole laga, itu time de amahan nisina kan bra uthai gina ani gina dahan laga life, prime time of their life. We rock the prime time of their life. That's the reason why we are having this awareness campaign starting from today. Koila ek thagise, koila la ek isa pra mukhan awareness to puri thagise. Aro abuse cases, itu to pick up kore na mukhan court TV jai ki kore thage. Bolibi itia amahan laga ek bottom ek ki aise, amen ki kurise itu laga opore moi olop koi dibo. Amahan awareness karte. 1986 bra ase bolibi amara last state de ek thakibo itu ek to whole India de ekta itu central act thakibo act of the parliament that is state so pra corresponding state rules banabo lage itu banawole thaka do aro itu rule na thakile itu act to implement koribole ditari hoi jay. Apuni paracetamol khaile matha bikha body bikha bhal hobo hoina jane bolibi kiman khabo kitia khabo kiman din khabo itu prescription goina itu to doctor bari dibo na amaga laga state corresponding role is the prescription doctor laga prescription lo ase ek di gobo as prescribed thakibo rule de prescription kiniga koribo lage itu kiniga koribo lage itu सब लिखिना था कि वो इतो करने इतो किता दो 20 साल किता ही है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बड़ा लास्ट ईयर नवंबर डे अमगन अप्रूव कर दी से अमगन तात न थाकी के ना बेरे धगा से एक तो से होए सेंट्रल लेवल से बोली भी स्टेट कोरस्पोंडिंग रोल तो ना थाकीले इतो तात न थाकिया ने कमोरी भी इतो अपुरी के ना लोगोले ना पारे इतो लगा हो जाए इतो करने लास्ट नवंबर 2024, state government has approved the rules, and that's the reason why, basing on that rule, we are having this campaign today, starting from today. Aji Nishina, so districtly Guya se. Ami start koro today. Two categories of children are there. Ito juvenile justice pura ito one. In need of care and protection, children in need of care and protection, The other group will be children in conflict with law. Itu laga ekor sahibi. Will be kita we come to the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. We still have two categories of children. Ekta to 14 years tak, children boy to be children. 14 years complete hoise will be 18 years complete hona. Itu age adolescents boy. So itu act pra itu tuita categorize kuri dise. Itia koila laga act 14 years tak thakiside. Itia to 18 years tak include kuriছে. Why? Because the ILO convention's age is 18 years. Itu karena India भी ratify kuriছে na ILO convention 182 and 138 भी ratify kuriছে. Itu karena as per the ILO convention amara laga acts and rules भी থাকিব লাগে. Itu is apra 18 years tak thali disde. Buझिছে না? Category দুইটা আছে. Child বলে 14 years tak hobo. Next to 14 to 18. Those who have not completed 18 years and who has completed 14 years will be categorized under adolescents. 14 years and below. Nobody can employ a child below the age of 14 years. Blanket ban. আমি কি কৈ আছে বলে establishments can থাকিব ইয়াতে establishments can be very careful. You should not employ a child who is 14 years below 14 years. আমি এইটো পাৰবাৰ কৈ আছে বলে আমাক কহিমাদে ডোমেষ্টিক সেক্টৰ ফৰ বিচিলি আছে ইতিয়া এইটো আপুনি খানকে এইটো স্পেচিয়েলি ৱাৰ্ড অথৰিটিজ খানকে এইটো শুনিবলৈ দিয়া দো আপুনি খান নিজৰ কলোনি যাগে না নিজৰ ৱাৰ্ড যাগে না নিজৰ ৱাৰ্ডকে এডুকেট কৰিব লাগে আমাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট বি এইটো এডুকেশ্যন ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব 14 years and below it's a total no. The Act Section 3 says no child below the age of 14 years should be employed. Number one, itu employee hoile ki hobo? Imprisonment minimum 6 months, which may extend to 2 years. Aro fine minimum 20,000, which may extend to 50,000. Because they, which is enough. Once you are caught with a child, then your punishment will be minimum of 6 months imprisonment, or with fine minimum of 20,000, or with both as they. Ita bhi hobo pare. The gravity of the situation, gravity of the case will determine whether both punishments should be given to you or not. Will be in the answer. 40 batar rakina. Itu itia brado opai nai de. It's a total ban. Number 2 category, adolescents. 14 hoise will be 18 hona. Itu laga category kan. Itu kan employ koribo pare certain employment dena will be with restrictions. Itu kan prohibition to kois na boy, regulation boy na. To ek दिन de अपने target employ policy will be at the stretch 3 hours more than 3 hours kuribole kam kuribo dibon nalage. In between there should be a minimum of 1 hour break. Total working hour though, including the break, should be not more than 6 hours. Mane break 1 hour thakise bole 5 hours a work kuribole paribo na. Applicable to doing as 18 day 24 hours 5 hours work kuru paribo etu de additional 1 hour break in between. Maximum continuous work should be 3 hours only. Itu bisa break because to tokan de rakhi hazardous to no hoy. Hazardous employment and occupations and processes itu adolescents भी no asde. Believe tokan de rakhi tokan dari khan itu laga kediri khan. अपने एक दिन दे 5 कुंडा बड़ा किसी कोई गुरु ना पड़ बोले और एक प्रयोग है से जुदी अपने तारगे राखी वो बोले एक तार रजिस्टर में दे गुरु बोला के तार लगा पार्टिकुलर्स इधर एक दिया से तार लगा पार्टिकुलर्स सब राखी बोला के और वो मोए एम्प्लॉय कुरिया से दे अमी लगा तो एक्सेप्टेड कैटेगरी से इतने मोए adolescent nikta employee kuria ase koina inspector ke report dibo lagibo first itu bi jide employee koru paribo report nitia lagabi penalty ase report digena kuribo dianande hours of work aro itu the various provisions in the act itu nokorisi bolebe itu bi penalty ase simple imprisonment 1 month or a fine which may extend to 10,000 as well. Itu kan violation eligible. Idia moihan establishments they rate start wishing. Domestic TV ahi bode aste aste bura. Itu karne itu laga awareness start kure ase moihan. Kili itu kure. Amahan ini aigena ek ase kure ase itu nohai de. We have done extensive research on this. I have a research publication also on the migrant and trafficked children of Keys of Nagaland. And we have, the department has worked on situational analysis of child labor in Nagaland, the case of Nagaland. To department was situational analysis, research, thorough research throughout the state Purina. Children are not safe in Nagaland. Amahan atakan ke adigena charity work Quran sina mission work Quran sina bhagena. Noeli. After all the research work that we have done, we have found out that children are not safe in Nagaland. Straight away. उन्होंने कोर्ट फाल रखियो रखिया से बोली भी ना रिसर्च पूरा दिखा दो इतो फाल पूरा रखिया पाचा खान भी ना इतो फैमिली दी भी इतो पाचा खान भी सेफ नहीं बोली ना we have found out why because one wrong move by the child is enough एकदम फाल पूरा रखिया थी वो हाँ incidents can study करा दो एकदम फालवर रखी से तार लगा बोर्ड है इतो बता दो 4 साल 5 साल रखी से एकदम फालवर रखी से हिस्ट्री सही ले believe me there is one single incident अच्छा बड़ा गलती करी से अच्छा से गलती करा निवेदे थप्पड़ मारे से abuse ग्लोबली स्टार्ट हुई से हिस्ट्री सही ले दो एकदम फालवर रखी के ना इसे believe me this single incident is enough to break the chain. That's what we have found out. That's why we declare that children are not safe in Nagaland. One wrong move for the potato. Another one. Patakan adigena mukhan rakhe. We bring children and give. Why? There are so many people give so many reasons. Rakhiya kan itu moi laga choto bacha ase tar logote playmate koribo boli rakhiya ase all sorts of reasons we give more so in Kohima both husband and wife are working in most of the families that is one reason amahan demand sector increase hoda na both husband and wife if both husband and wife are working if adult children and adult not children and pay them well. That's the only thing, right? Apni health आगे ऐसे ना adult itage rakhina salary bhalbar dibina. Your children are also safe. I have seen children bacha khan nijur laga bacha ekta bacha rakhise itu bacha bora loigina school di jaya ase inka bhi dikhile bacha ta khan laga helper doe tar laga bacha bora chutu. Just imagine the mentality that we have. How safe do you think that you are sending your child to school guarded by this young child who is even smaller than your sons or daughters? You have to look nicely. I know in Kohima we have set across garbage disposal places. Already alag de ido garbage disposal system ase Kohima laga bhaleta. Alag din, alag time, alag colony. Pachahan na malik na hero. Garbage bhalawale malik na he. Pachahan do he. Aro most of the homes we cannot enter because we need to take permission. There are high homes. Believe it to them dia he. Jaina bodhaurale kande de. Tada moi khor jabo munasi gana kande. So that is the plight that children are going through. Seemingly they are okay. But inside, their mental, physical, emotional, everything has been destroyed by us. Okay? That's the reason why we have said it is enough. The department is coming up with various plans. In fact, we will have a lot of awareness. There is a district task force with which we have collaborated this program. District task force will be trained in such a way that this is implemented properly. I've been talking with the SP also that we will be training the police personnel also. Police personnel are very important here. We have to be aware of what they should be doing. Accordingly, among our colony laga authority khan noile to amagan itu dokandari khan amagan sob to ikilo de miligena no really no hobode. So many cases are coming up, all hushed up. Okay, all hushed up. There are so many cases that are coming up. Amagan najaniya pura. Unfortunately, even though the act is there, authority though, among laga ito customary law boy na. Easy war ito boy thake. Two parties amicable settlement ho, case withdraw guru na hino. Ninga laga cases na. Ito warne aji boy ase. The punishment is very clear. Ajibra Rakhina Thagisi Kolevi, Amahan, we have to give a second thought. Earlier act punishment, offense to non-cognizable Thagisi. This act cognizable Hoshde. Arrest warrant na Thagina police for arrest to one. Arrest warrant na lagi. Cognizable offense mane arrest warrant na Thagili, arrest to one. Ito Hoshde. That Number two, Avani Gogo is the Patada Moilaga relative. My distant relative, my cousin, son, daughter, things like that, my villager. The act says, Itulaga Act, amended act, family defined family. Family is father, mother, okay, pacha ki rakhi bole para laga, pacha ekta ki rakhi bole para laga to father and mother, the parents, elder siblings. Supposing family number is tamur hando adult hui jaise, na our brothers and sisters, elder brothers and sisters, so tahalo di thagi paribo, or maternal uncles and aunties, amma laga data bhai bini didi idolo de thagi paribo, Papa laga bhini bhai titi na dada khali itu manu lore thakibo paribo de bacha khan ida. So beyond that, if you are keeping a child, you are against the law. Simple. Hey, which is na family define kurina ase. Amakan iketa toli do, hey tu khor manu ase, moi laga pusti manu ase mina rakhe. Toli do, hey tu marriage relation na alag alag jat laga holi bhi rakhi thaki. Ita to allowed no hai. Family is very clearly defined. Parents, elder brothers and sisters, elder siblings who are adults, or paternal aunties and uncles, maternal aunties and uncles. Finish. The line is drawn very clearly now. Wila laga de itu thagana itu karne ahibo, itu mo laga khor manu ase, mo laga musti manu ase, amahan itu diga rakhe ase. Ite to itu puribo na paribo. Unless you have that proof, you cannot keep a child who is 14 years and below. Okay? Issue is living way in simple pocket animal very quickly. Kujijina, Pacha 14 years and below, none of us can keep. It is a total no. The law says punishment is minimum imprisonment of 6 months or fine of minimum 20,000 rupees or with both. Okay. Adolescents, ito khan rakhi sikwele, like domestic ne, nohale to, amanean tukandari, to salespersons, ito khan to hazardous to nohay. Commit kurbo, believe first inspector ke report, written report dibo lagi, ami ito rakhi ase, talaga details dibo lagi ko. Accordingly, avni laga tokan debi, avni laga establishment debi, tar laga details register maintain kuru lagi. We are now working hours, kiman kuru dia se, itu kan maintain kuru lagi. Ini ka hoisi bole lo Allah ase. Ini ka hoa nai bole 10,000, which may extend to 10,000, or with a simple imprisonment of 1 month. Itu asli itu lagabi. Itu karne aji pura loi kina. Ami itu pura bisi nobo. Bisi ase belibi itu pura itya jani bole bele bukan itu jani kina thakisi bole. Itu aware hoisi bole amahan karne sob karne bhal hobo. Pichede ahi kina ami najane itu laga kotha nai de lo do na. Ami najane itu laga. Itu compoundable ekta portion ase. Ek de compoundable. First offense to maaf kuruguli laga na. Believe 13 years and below laga dilo maaf nai de. It is not compoundable. First offense bhi hoge. Itu to punishable ase. Believe dusra itu one is not working hour diya nai. Nohile to inspectory report kora nai. Itu khande first offense de compoundable. Believe fine to dibo lagi. Believe khali imprisonment do itu excuse koribo. Believe fine to ji believe ki court pra draw kori dia ase itu fine to dibo lagi. Nika laga ase. So 13 years and 14 years and below laga dile to compound koribole laga itu bi 9. Nika ase. Itu karne 14 years and below batahan rakhi na thakisi bole itia bra hosha bolibi itia amahan school dibi awareness chuli bole ase school bra absent bra laga cases bisi ase moina bi nahiya hoi jay malik bra na bathai na school kan to pai itu karne amahan laga role de 15 days continuous school de bacha ahya nai bole central rule de 30 days asne living mukhan yadi kotha koriyena 15 days to reduce kori dise 15 days de bacha 15 days continuous school de ana gole school authority bra report koribo lage kintu bacha for the last 15 days ahia nai school report koribo lage otherwise school is also liable to be punished itu laga jaya sidi itu ro itu karena free and compulsory education for children itu de ini wo nebide itu tak khali gina ase itu karena we are going to educate the school education department also side by side. We will educate everybody, the administration, the police, the various authorities. Colony dibi parish colony to ahibo mukhan. Nika korina educate koribo. Amala responsibility to educate koribo lage. Itu karone aji bora start kori ase. Kobo lage, janibo dibo lage. Nothing like being informed. To be an informed citizen is, itu berai amahan. We can be a better citizen. Our responsibility now is to inform the citizens what are the provisions of the Act. Today we are studying. Thank you very much all of you for coming. And kindly be our torchbearer. That is what we want to request. All of us, let's commit ourselves to this movement. And then let us all be a torchbearer. Wherever you go, whatever you do, wherever you are, kindly educate someone who is nearby you. Okay? One simple thing I will tell you. Whenever I go to a hotel or restaurant, if a child serves me, I don't take. And immediately on that, I start educating the Malik. Oh, that is how we should start, okay? Just going for a read and saying that this is wrong will not be sufficient. That's why all of us, we have to kill him at this level. We have to so for day, try आवाज को उठाई दी बोले और भी हमारा लेबर डिपार्टमेंट और टास्क फोर्स नाम दे रिक्वेस्ट करिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।